Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get free, hold on a second, guys, 100% free Monopoly Go dice rolls. Yes, you heard that right, guys. This is the only method that is working as of right now, and it's honestly the best right now. And as you guys can see, I have unlimited cash and unlimited dice rolls by using this method. You can do this method as many times as you want. And it's the only method that honestly is guaranteed as of right now. I haven't found anything else, so once I found this, I really could not gatekeep and I wanted to share this. What you're going to do is just go grab your mobile devices if you're watching on your laptop or on your TV, and what you're going to do is just follow along. I'm going to do this step by step so you guys can see what I'm doing. It's super easy and you won't have any troubles at all doing it. It is 100% for free. So what you're going to do is open up Safari or any web browser on your cell phone, and you're going to go to this website right here. It's called dicerolly.com. I'll bring it closer to the screen so you can take a look, dicerolly.com. This is what the website will look like. So all you have to do is tap that button that says Start. Once you do that, it'll ask you for your username. Now, this is where you enter your Monopoly Go username. Once you've typed it in, you can go ahead and hit that blue button that says Proceed. And now you can select the amount of dice rolls you want. Of course, you're going to select the most amount. And now you're going to click on what device you're using. I'm using an iOS Apple, and go ahead and press that button that says Inject. So now it's connecting to the database for Monopoly Go and adding those free dice rolls to your Monopoly Go. As soon as it's done completing and it's loaded completely and it's been injected to your Monopoly Go, you can go ahead and open up Monopoly Go and see and enjoy the game as much as I am enjoying it right now. A quick tip, actually, guys, that I want to let you know is making sure you guys open up Monopoly Go beforehand and checking your username. So definitely check your username, the spelling, the space, the dots, everything before you type it in. I feel like a lot of people sometimes mess up their username and type in the wrong one and it goes to the wrong account. So you really don't want that to happen. So just make sure you do that correctly and follow it along. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a great day. Bye.